Welcome to the Cozy English Corner. Today, we are looking at a business English phrase that is all about action, momentum, and finally starting a project.
Starting is always the hardest part of any project. What is the phrase?
The phrase is, get the ball rolling.
Get the ball rolling, like pushing a heavy ball down a hill.
Exactly. Imagine a giant, heavy stone ball sitting at the top of a hill. It takes a lot of energy and effort to push it that very first inch. But once it starts rolling, gravity takes over, and it moves fast.
That is a fantastic metaphor. The beginning is hard, but momentum makes it easier.
Precisely. In business, to get the ball rolling means to take the very first step to start a process or a project, especially a process that involves multiple people.
I understand, so you are the person who does the difficult initial push.
Yes, let us look at a real-world office example. Your team has to plan a massive marketing event for next year. For 3 weeks, everyone just talks about it, but nobody actually does any real work.
That is very common. People get stuck in the planning phase.
Right. To fix the problem, you book a hotel conference room, pay the deposit, and send an email to the team saying, "I booked the hotel to get the ball rolling. Now we need to design the invitations."
I did one solid action to force the rest of the project to start moving.
Spot on, you took the initiative. You can also use it to ask for someone else to start. Imagine you are in a meeting and everyone is silent.
The awkward silence, I hate that.
You could look at the manager and say, "Who wants to get the ball rolling and share their first idea?"
That is a very friendly, energetic way to invite people to speak.
It is. It creates a positive, forward-moving atmosphere. Let us practice the pronunciation. Native speakers emphasize the words ball and roll. Get the ball rolling.
Get the ball rolling. Let's get the ball rolling.
Flawless, your intonation is perfectly energetic. Now, let us test your project management skills with our expanded 3-part quiz.
I am ready. Give me the action scenarios.
Scenario 1. You are building a new house. You hire a company to dig a massive hole in the dirt so you can pour the concrete foundation. The digging is the very first physical step.
Yes, the house cannot be built until the dirt is moved. Digging that hole is definitely getting the ball rolling on the construction process.
Spot on. Scenario 2. You have been painting a beautiful portrait for 3 months. You pick up your brush, paint the final dot on the canvas, and sign your name at the bottom.
Definitely not. I am finishing the project, not starting it. The ball is stopping, not rolling.
Correct. Scenario 3. You want to buy a new car, but you cannot decide which color you want. You sit on your sofa for 4 hours looking at pictures of red and blue cars on your phone, but you do not call the dealership.
No, looking at pictures is just thinking. I have not taken any real, solid action to buy the car, so the ball is still sitting at the top of the hill.
You nailed every single question. You perfectly understand how to initiate action.
Thank you. I am ready to get the ball rolling on my homework right now.
That is the perfect attitude. Have a fantastic day, everyone, and keep practicing.